I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools so you can compile and run Java inside Xcode. First, install Xcode and the command line tools. This gives you compilers and build integration. Next, install a JDK and set Java home so Xcode can find Javac and Java. Once done, create a minimal Xcode command line tool project. Pick any language, because you will add a custom build phase. Make sure to save the project to a clean folder where you can add Java source files. You now add Java source and tell Xcode how to compile it. Drag your Java files into the project so they appear in the navigator and ensure they are copied into the target folder. Then add a run script build phase. Compile with javacd $built-products dir $srcroot / Java and run with java cp $built-products dir main. Once configured, edit the scheme to use the build action and allow the script to run. This wires Xcode to produce and execute Java bytecode automatically. You finish by running and verifying behavior, and you prepare for common failures. Click Xcode's Run button to execute the script. Watch the debug console for system out and errors. For source-level debugging, add JVM debug flags like agentlib, jdwp equals transport equals dt socket, server equals y, suspend equals n, address equals 5005, and connect with a Java debugger. If execution fails, check that Java home points to the correct JDK, confirm class path and build output folder, and ensure the run script phase runs after compilation. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.